phenomenon, as UFOs are now called. It resembles a jellyfish flying in the sky, its tentacles dangling, I guess, in the air. This video was released by UFO expert Jeremy Corbell on his X page. Corbell says it was shot by the military using thermal imaging cameras as this, whatever it is, flew over a U.S. military base in Iraq. To be clear, News Nation has not independently verified the authenticity of the video, and other videos like this have been debunked in the past. Bottom line is, we don't know what this thing is or what it isn't right now. But we have reached out to the Pentagon for comment. News Nation senior national correspondent Brian Enton has been delving into it all afternoon. He joins the latest UFO video flying around the internet has a lot of people, pilots and experts, wondering what it is. He released the video and he's given us even pilots, and good to have you back on the show. So the Pentagon says it won't comment on the authenticity of the alleged DoD material.
Yeah, thank you for your question. The reason why and our DoD will be put in the corner. They have to be honest with the American public on this video. So we'll go from there.
Now, a Marine who was stationed at that base told News Nation that the video was taken by an intelligence surveillance balloon. And you say it was widely viewed inside the military before all of a sudden it was then confiscated?
Yeah, you don't have time for this on this program, but there was a dramatic set of events that occurred. It was confiscated immediately from the aerostat that was filming above the base. So what you are seeing is the first ever designated UAP by our government and multiple governments, UAP or UFO it's an incursion of a military base in a combat zone. So there are secondhand witnesses that are coming forward, but George Knapp and I have spoke to multiple
Nick Minute.